Let's prevent the solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power t. This is equal to 48. So what is the value of t? Now solution here, we have that 8 to the power t, this is equal to 48. Okay. Now to solve for the value of t, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. That is log 8 to the power t. This is equal to log 48. Now to solve for the value of t, we have that log 8 to the power t is in this form. That is log 8 to the power n. This is equal to n log a. Okay, this is the power rule property of logarithm. Now applying this property, we'll have t log 8, okay, divided by log 8. We divide both signs by log 8 so that we simplify here. So now we have t is equal to log 48 divided by log 8. We can express 48 basically as 8 multiplied by 6. So let's substitute this. So we have t is equal to log 8 multiplied by 6, all this divided by log 8. So the next step here, log 8 times 6, this is actually in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So let's apply this power property, this logarithm property, so that t is equal to log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 6 divided by log 8. So the next step here, let's simplify here. Log 8 and log 8 simplifies, so that t is equal to 1 plus log 6 divided by log 8. Now we can express 6 basically as 2 times 3, and we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So substituting this, we'll have t, this is equal to 1 plus log 2 times 3, that is 4. 2 times 3 is 6, divided by log 8, which is log 2 to the power 3. So let's proceed from here. Here we have that log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express again as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, we'll have t is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3, log 2 to the power 3 plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. So let's proceed here. So t is equal to 1 plus, now we have log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Applying the power rule property, this becomes 3 log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3 again becomes 3 log 2. Now, here we simplify log 2 and log 2 so that t is equal to 1 plus a third plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. Now, log 3 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property, so that now we'll have t is equal to, this is 1 plus a third, and this is actually 4 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2. Okay, now let's verify that this value of t, which is 4 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end at 8 to the power t, this should give us a value of 48. So let's substitute the value of t, so that we'll have 8 to the power 4 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 48. So let's check if this is true. Now we can express 8 here as 2 to the power 3. So let's substitute this. So we have 2 to the power 3 multiplied by, this is 4 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2. So this should give us a value of 48. The next step here, let's simplify here. Let's open the bracket here so that we'll have 2 to the power. This 3 and 3 simplifies so that we'll have 4 plus this 3 and 3 simplifies so that we'll have 1 times log. This is the same thing as log 3 to base 2. So this should give us a value of 48. So the next step here, 2 to the power 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which we can express as a to the power n times a to the power m. So let's apply this exponent property so that now we'll have 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 48. So the next step here, we have that 2 to the power 4. This is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is actually equal to 16. So now we have 16 multiplied by 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. Now 2 to the power log 3 to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which should give us a value of a. So that means that 2 to the power log 3 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 3. So let's substitute this 3. So here we'll have 16 times 3, and this is supposed to give us a value of 48. So 16 times 3, this is 48. And that shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, and that shows that the value of t, which is basically 4 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.